One of those unusual days is still today. Even now, Shiba Inu is undergoing treatment. Doubt permeates the atmosphere. Experts are also ceasing to provide updates. Shiba Inu is undergoing a complete reset. Something monumental is about to happen at Coinbase, and this may be the turning point that sends Shiba Inu soaring to new heights. Nevertheless, many remain perplexed. Everybody has been silent for days. What the hey? Furthermore, what am I even referring to? Excuse me as I elaborate. Important notice. Do not consider this video to be financial advice. It is merely for informational purposes. Unpredictability persists in the cryptocurrency industry. Therefore, before making any investing selections, make sure you do your research. The owners of Shiba Inus probably weren't hoping for today. The price has not recovered from its recent low and remains in the negative territory despite efforts to move upward. Nothing is looking good on the charts either, displaying reluctance instead of a robust recovery. Attempting to ascend a hill and repeatedly slipping back down is like Shiba Inu's life. However, there is some good news. Recovering some lost ground, there was a small bounce from yesterday's deeper slump. Even while it's not a huge improvement, it did help. Shiba Inu was able to keep its one-day loss around 1% instead of a precipitous decline. That, considering the circumstances, is already a minor victory. Investors remain on high alert due to the continuous volatility in the market. Some people are even opting to sell their shares because they are so scared. All throughout the neighborhood, people are feeling down because of the bears. According to one expert, Shiba Inu is now in an unusual and unpredictable situation due to this type of price activity. He claims that when one examines the price chart, it becomes difficult to locate any positive aspects. The one bright spot is that this downturn won't be permanent. Shiba Inu will get through this difficult period faster if it progresses through it quickly. At the moment, things are looking unstable, and worrying patterns are beginning to emerge on the charts due to the continued decline in cryptocurrency values. Even Shiba Inus aren't immune. Actually, it was on the verge of creating a death cross not long ago, which typically indicates that further bearish momentum is on the horizon. The effect may be long-lasting because it is occurring on the daily chart. The value of Shiba Inus has dropped significantly this week, and that's before the death cross has even developed completely. The market may be anticipating another decline even before it occurs if that is the case. On the plus side, this pattern may not signal the beginning of a larger crash when it does emerge. Alternatively, it may signal that current decline is about to cease. This might go a number of ways. Either Shiba Inu prices are going to continue falling, or the next major support level isn't even close to where they are right now. It could also get trapped in a narrow range, with prices constantly moving between two levels with no signs of ever breaking out. The course of action will be decided by what happens next. There may be some good news for Shiba Inus though, so bear with us. As terrifying as this price cut is, it may really be a boon in the end. We may finally have reached the reset point that everyone has been anticipating. Shiba Inu has now hit a level that could provide a solid basis for a genuine price turnaround, according to one analyst. Following the death cross, the market is displaying indications that a bottom may be on the horizon. In fact, a pattern is beginning to take shape, which many market participants view as a possible turning point. Nevertheless, one must maintain focus on the broader context before becoming overly enthusiastic, which bodes well, but more robust purchasing pressure is required for a genuine recovery to gain momentum. The market is uncertain at the moment, and any recovery could be short-lived unless bulls provide a strong push. That's why it's crucial to remain vigilant. The next big thing for Shiba Inus will have to wait till the market as a whole decides what to do. But I bet you're asking, what on earth is causing the Shiba Inu to fall for the past few days? Alright, let's take a broad view for a while. It has come to light that Bitcoin is also not performing well. It recently experienced a major tumble, falling to a level not seen in months. As a general rule, the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency market tends to follow Bitcoin's downturn. However, things become intriguing at this point. A single analyst is completely unconcerned. Actually, he is adamant that Bitcoin is going to hit a new all-time high of almost $500,000 soon, despite how bad things appear to be right now. He claims that there has been a dramatic shift in the market's customer profile. Everyday traders were the first to get involved, but now hedge funds, banks, and even governments are getting in on the action. The entire cryptocurrency market could be in for a wild ride if this indicates that large-scale, long-term investors are getting ready to buy in. What does this imply for Shiba Inu, therefore? Overall market confidence could shift dramatically if Bitcoin starts to rebound and large money investors keep stepping in. When that happens, Shiba Inus may be able to regain their previous level of popularity. However, given the current state of affairs, it may be prudent to exercise patience. The icing on the cake is that Shiba Inu fans may be in for some major news. There have been rumblings that one of the largest traditional cryptocurrency market might be rocked if that occurs. The value of Coinbase has nearly doubled in the last 5 months due to a tremendous spike. However, according to one expert, there is still a lot of spike for it to go even higher, expecting even greater potential in the near future. He just raised his price target for Coinbase shares. Taking this into account, Coinbase's inclusion in a major stock market index this year is quite probable. In American base, a market capitalization in the tens of billions and annualized stable earnings are the requirements for qualification. But you know what? You may tick all those boxes with Coinbase. If this materializes, large institutional investors who were previously hesitant to put money into crypto could suddenly find themselves donning crypto hats. This may be the catalyst that Shiba Inu needs to reach new levels of success, and it may be a major deal in and of itself. The inclusion of Coinbase in a prominent stock market index would greatly increase its visibility to more conventional investors. Crypto may unexpectedly gain traction among large institutions, hedge funds, and even individual stock traders. Additionally, Shiba Inu and other assets listed on Coinbase are vulnerable to a capital inflow at any moment, practical applications, and continuous improvement. It is probable that new investors using Coinbase to investigate the cryptocurrency market will encounter Shiba Inu. As a result of its cheap entry price and solid foundations, it has the potential to attract market newcomers. With the right amount of fresh capital, this might set off a chain reaction that drives the price of Shiba Inus to levels not seen for quite some time. This might have far-reaching consequences for Shiba Inu. Is it an agreement? Is it possible that Shiba Inu may soon achieve unprecedented success? Leave a comment below and tell us what you think. If you have found this video entertaining, please subscribe and enable notifications so you will not miss any future